Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix no GPS signal lost in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option. And if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, disable battery optimization. Now again open settings, scroll down, click on device care, click on battery, turn off power saving and turn off battery protection. Now go back. After that, click on auto optimization. Now click on auto restart. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, disable battery optimization. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, files, document will be erased, delete or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix no GPS signal lost in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.